Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about something that many of us have been searching for, ways to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own homes. And if you are someone who loves giving your opinions, then you are in luck. We'll be talking about the best survey sites that pay through M-Pesa. Number 1. Mobrog. If you're looking for a site that pays well and has great selection of surveys, Mobrog is the perfect choice. This global survey site pays its users for completing surveys, and the best part is that they have a mobile app that allows you to take your surveys on the go. You can expect to receive several surveys a week, and with a user-friendly interface, taking surveys has never been easier. Payments are made promptly through M-Pesa, and the minimum amount you can cash out is just $5. Number 2. Surveyor. Surveyor is a reliable survey site that pays its users for completing surveys. The site has a good selection of surveys and users can expect to receive several surveys per week. The site has a user-friendly interface and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Number 3. Triaba. Triaba is a popular survey site that pays its users for completing surveys. The site has good selections of surveys and users can expect to receive several surveys per week. The site has user-friendly interface and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Triaba also has a mobile app that pays users to take surveys on the go. Number 4. Geopol. Geopol is a survey site that focuses on opinion surveys. The site pays its users for completing surveys and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Geopol has a user-friendly interface and has a good selection of surveys. Number 5. Paid Viewpoint. Paid Viewpoint is a unique survey site that pays its users for completing short surveys. The site has a user-friendly interface and payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Paid Viewpoints also have a referral program that users can earn extra cash by referring friends. Number 6. ProTipper. ProTipper is a site that pays its users for completing surveys. The site has a good selection of surveys and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. ProTipper also has a mobile app that allows users to take surveys on the go. Number 7. Chura. Chura is a survey site that pays its users for completing surveys. The site has a good selection of surveys and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Chura also has a mobile app that allows users to take surveys on the go. Number 8. Toluna. Toluna is a popular survey site that pays its users for completing surveys. The site has a good selection of surveys and the users can expect to receive several surveys per week. The site has a user-friendly interface and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Toluna also has a mobile app that allows users to take surveys on the go. Number 9. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular survey site that pays its users for completing surveys, watching videos and more. The site has a user-friendly interface and the payments are made promptly via M-Pesa. Swagbucks also has a referral program that allows users to earn extra cash by referring friends. In conclusion, if you are looking for ways to earn extra cash from home, taking online surveys is a great opinion. With several survey sites that pay through M-Pesa, you can start earning money today. Try one or few of these survey sites and start earning money for sharing your opinions. And thank you for watching.